Okay, if I try to use online images, so we need to have some configurations. I want to use the image, so copy image address, and I'm checking whether I am getting it or not. Okay, I'm getting, that means image URL is perfect, so I am setting it over here and it will work. But before that you have to have some configuration. You need to mention the protocol HTTPS and hostname. It means star means all, otherwise you can put the domain name over here. So if I don't use it, see what will happen. Now my server is not up and running. Invalid Nextjs config. I have to use it, otherwise it will not work. It is not taking. So okay, I'm showing you what I want to say. npm run dev, and you have to use protocol HTTPS and hostname. Star means all, it will accept all domains. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, we are getting the image, and the purpose of my here is to show you that if you use online images, I mean live image, till now we have worked images from our static sources or from our local PC. But if you wanna use it from the online, you have to declare. Now you need to go to the next.config and declare protocol HTTPS and hostname all, or you can use the domain name, say according to a domain name. What's this domain name? Splash.com. I hope not that one, this one. It will work also. Let's see. Yeah, it's working. So if you don't like to give the domain name, you just permit it all. It will work. Yeah. So if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you very much. See you soon. A little bit announcement. You can get a tremendous and superb course. This is my course. MERN stack, Typescript, Ecommerce, Docker, RTKquery, and along with deploy. It's a nice and huge course. So its price is $44, but I can give you, for my students, I can give it only $9. Okay, so it will last for 5 days, but you will get $9. If the course is needed, you can contact with me, just $9.99. Okay, so it's a super course, tremendous course. So you will able to learn a lot of things. You will get TypeScript, e-commerce, Docker, RTK query, and deployment. So it is built on React 9.18, Node.js 20, and role-based automatic redirect. So I will give the discount link and coupon code and course link in the description box. You can come and check, and don't hesitate to grab the course. Thank you very much.